Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be installing a belt wrap kit, so you don't want to miss out on that. Also, if you guys haven't had the chance yet, please watch my previous video. I have a 45-minute video on us installing a load of cooling mods on this car. I highly recommend you check that out before you even install your boost mods, because cooling mods are essential for running bigger boosts. Now with that out of the way, let's get into the video.
Yeah. 24mm socket. What is it? 60?
Yeah.
Я видя като маркер си окнем, това спаски вегаш, you know.
So you're just taking the pulley off?
Remove. Okay, that goes really nicely in. So we need to take that bolt off and put it in. Okay?
Okay.
And where's the bolt for this? Should have enough room. It's not gonna leak. This should be under. See. See, it's a gap in between. So what we do, we put this. We need some Loctite on this. So we need to loosen that belt first before we take it apart. We gotta check and see if the threads are all the way in, you know, because he said that the threads are not all the way. So we gotta check it out with this one. Even if I put this and even this, still 4 threads. It should be fine actually.
Creative steel is different.
Always check them in, because otherwise we end up having problems. Why is not? See what I'm talking about? Because
Yeah.
when you tied it, it's not gonna tight 100%. The things should sit 100%, and there is a measuring thing for it also, so you can measure the threads. Okay, you see thousands of different threads, and you can so you see here that's from 1 to 1.25, 1.5, all these numbers. So this could be the 1.25, 1.5. Okay, so that's important. And if you check it out like this, it works. Even if you take that measuring and check the threads, let's see here, where is 1.5? Is it 1.5? Yeah, see here, it's 100%. And if you use this one, see, it doesn't. This is 100%. Okay. It did nicely.
Yeah, it's there.
And tights perfectly fine.
Which side do we go?
We need some Loctite, huh? I hope this thing doesn't get fat. You know what I'm talking about?
The belt's supposed to be cold.
It's not gonna hit here. We have to push this thing a little bit further, okay? And then
Don't put it in.
why?
You have to put the belt on first. What was that?
15.
Do I put tension on it now? Or I release the...
Release the tension. You didn't even have tension on it.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Sabit. Penavakashim. Pull it a little bit. Okay, go. Alright. Nakwanos. Don't do it yet. Put it back. Back. Okay. Let me tie those. Otherwise, you let it go.
Belt is for a 70mm pulley. Okay. Is it gonna work? It's 4mm off from what it's intended for.
It's as long as it has tension here because we put this kit.
Yes, it came with the kit actually. The belt came with the kit.
Okay, then that's for this.
But it's for a smaller supercharger pulley.
Doesn't matter. The difference is not that much. Go. One more time. Okay, now it's tight. I thought the bearing seized or something, but it's turning.
Okay.
The belt grabs it really nice. So we tight this one, we tight that one.
We've never had a green belt on this car. No. It's always been a black belt. So the green belts are a lot more grippier, this material, this rubber. The blue belt, I've heard it's more grip. But the green belt is the best. It reduces a lot of belt slippage.